Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SiteGround caching for faster affiliate landing pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable SiteGround caching for faster affiliate landing pages, begin by logging into your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites tab located in the top menu. Select the website you wish to optimize for speed by clicking on the corresponding Manage button. In the Management dashboard, look for the Site Tools option on the left sidebar. Click on Site Tools to enter the management area for your site. In the Site Tools menu, locate and select the Speed option. Under the Speed section, click on Caching. You will now see multiple caching options available for your website. Start by enabling the Dynamic Cache option if it's not already activated. Simply toggle the switch to turn on Dynamic Cache. Next, scroll down to the Memcached section. If Memcached is available for your plan, enable it by toggling the switch. Now, locate the Static Cache option below Dynamic Cache. Activate Static Cache by turning on the toggle. After enabling these caching settings, you may want to clear your cache. Look for the option to flush cache within the caching section. Click on Flush Cache to apply your new caching settings. It's important to check your landing pages for any issues after making these changes. Visit your website in an incognito window to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Finally, monitor your site's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. You should notice faster loading times on your affiliate landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.